It's time to hang the fan up there. Okay, so in Ghana we have a traditional fan hook. There's a Ghanaian traditional fan hook. This particular North American type of ceiling fan, it comes with its own unique fan hook. There's the actual fan hook. There's the fan hook cover. It is going to cover it after you've done the installation. So we're going to cut off this traditional fan hook from that place. You can go ahead and cut it. And then okay, so that is that. We go ahead and we need to find a place with a wood, probably with a 2x2 wood or something like that, and fix this hook there before we hang the ceiling fan up there.